form of question formula we studied last slide. She dances much more artistically than her predecessors. So then again आपने much के साथ more ऐड कर सकते हैं, much के साथ less ऐड कर सकते हैं. In that case फिर आपका जो adverb adjective है उसमें er के suffix ऐड नहीं होगा. That's how you have to construct the sentence. He speaks English much more rapidly than he does Spanish. His car is far better than yours. सो फॉर अनइक्वल कंपैरिजन में हमने देखा कि हमने उसको सारी सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन को इंटेंसिफाई कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो हमने उसको स्टडी किया विद डिफरेंट इंटेंसिफायर्स. अब हम देखेंगे कि व्हाट इफ़ अगर आपके पास जो कंपैरिजन आपने बनाना है वो इंस्टेड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव वो एडवर्ब के अगर वो नाउन हो तो हाउ टू मेक दोज कंपैरिजन्स. इन दैट केस आपके पास आपको डिटर्मिनर्स यूज़ करते हुए ये श्योरिटी होनी चाहिए कि आपका जो नाउन है वो काउंटेबल है या नॉन काउंटेबल है. दैट विल डिटर्मिन व्हाट डिटर्मिनर्स मस्ट कम इन it precedes to your noun. For example, sentence construction like subject followed by verb followed by the word as. इसके बाद आएगा much, many, little and few. This is again when it comes to depending what noun you are using and followed by the word as and then a noun pronoun comes. अगर आपने then के साथ sentence construction create करना है तो that will be subject followed by verb followed by the word as and these three determiners like more, fewer and less will come. And then followed by the word noun and then the word then comes and the noun pronoun will be part of the sentence construction. So that's how these sentences will be used. I hope आप उस point पे अपनी वीडियो पॉज करके इन formulas को अपने पास नोट डाउन करके कर लें ताकि आपको ये मेमोराइज रहें for the rest of your life. अब हम इसकी कुछ examples को देख लेते हैं. I have more books. I have more books than she. I have more books than she. Followed by February has fewer days than March. February has fewer days than March. He earns as much money as his brother. As his brother. Example 4, they have as few classes as we. They have as few classes as we. Their jobs allows them less freedom than ours does. Again यहाँ पे जो words